At Miami Appliance Repair, we service all types of brands from Amana, Bosch, Thermador, Maytag, GE Monogram, Whirlpool, Sub-Zero, Electrolux and so on. We got over 20 years of experience servicing all types of appliances in Miami. Our service is fast, reliable, personal and professional. Same-day service. The service call is free with the repair. Call us today at 786-234-4044 or visit us online at www.miamiappliancesrepair.com. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to get our 10% off coupon on our website at www.miamiappliancesrepair.com.